In last video, we have covered practice set 2.1. Now, in this video, we are going to cover practice set 2.2. For solving the sums from practice set 2.2, we require to know following properties. First one, Apollonius theorem, and second one, application of Pythagoras theorem. For solving question number 1, 2 and 4, we require the property of Apollonius theorem, and for solving question number 3 and 5, we require to use application of Pythagoras theorem.
Practice set 2.2, question number 1. In triangle PQR, point S is the midpoint of side QR. Then PQ is given 11, PR is given 17 and PS is given 13. Then find QR. Okay. So start solution. Here in triangle PQR, SR, SP is the median. SP is the median because S is the midpoint of side QR. This is by definition. Okay. SP is the median, therefore we can use Apollonius theorem here. Okay. So by Apollonius theorem, PQ square plus PR square is equal to twice QS plus twice PS square. This is by Apollonius theorem. Apollonius theorem. Okay. Now fill the values. PQ is 11. So 11 square plus 17 square is equal to 2 QS square plus 2 PS is 13 square. Okay. 11 square is 121. 289 is the square of 17 is equal to 2. We can take common. QS square plus 169. Now this addition is 410 is equal to 2 QS square plus 169. Then we can divide by 2. So 410 upon 2 is equal to QS square plus 169. Therefore, let's divide. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10, QS square plus 169. Then we can take that 169 to left hand side. So you will go in subtraction. So 105 minus 169 is equal to QS square. 205 minus 169 is equal to 36, which is equal to QS square. Now, taking square root of both sides, this is taking square root. Okay. So QS is equal to 6 units. Okay. Here we got QS, but we want to find out whole QR, and S is the midpoint of QR. Therefore, we can write QR is equal to 2 into QS because S is the midpoint of QR. Okay. Therefore, QR is equal to 2 into 6. So QR is equal to 12 units. Okay. So this is our answer. QR is equal to 12 units. Question number 2. In triangle ABC, AB is 10, AC is 7 and BC is 9. And find the length of the median drawn from point C to side AB. Okay. Here CM is the median which is drawn from point C on side AB. Okay. So first write down what is given part. Here in triangle ABC, CM is the median. This is given, and AB is 10, AC is 7 and BC is equal to 9. To find, we have to find length of median, that is CM is equal to what? That we have to find. So start solution. Okay. See, AB is divided into two equal parts due to point M, because M is the midpoint of AB. Okay. Here in our sum, whole AB is given 10. So we have to first find BN. Therefore, so BN is equal to half of AB, because M is the midpoint of AB. Therefore, BN is equal to half of 10. AB's value is 10. Therefore, BN is equal to 5 2s are 10. 5 units. Okay. BM is 5 units. CM is the median in triangle ABC. ABC. CM is the median. This is given. Therefore, we can use Apollonius theorem. So, AC square plus BC square is equal to twice CM square plus twice BM square. This is by Apollonius theorem. Okay. Now substitute the values. AC is 7, so 7 square plus BC is 9. 9 square, which is equal to twice CM. We have to find out. So keep it as it is. 2 BM is 5. 5 square. Square of 7, 49. Square of 9 is 81. 2 we can take common. CM square plus square of 5 is 25. Here 49 plus 81, 130 is equal to 2 CM square plus 25. Now we can divide it by 2. For 130 upon 2, this is equal to CM square plus 25. 130 by 2, 65 is equal to CM square plus 25. Now 25 is an addition, so we can subtract it from 65 in the next step. 65 minus 25 is equal to CM square. Therefore, 25 minus 65, 40 is equal to CM square. Now, CM square is equal to 40 we can write as 4 into 10. Now, take square root of both the sides. 4 into 10. Taking square root. Okay. Taking square root. Now, CM is equal to 4. Root of 4 is 2. 2 root 10 units. Cn is equal to 2 root 10 unit. Okay. Therefore, write down answer. Length of median is equal to 2 root 10 units. Question number 3. In triangle PQR, segment PS is the median of triangle PQR. PT is perpendicular to QR. This is given part. Then we have to prove that PR square is equal to PS square plus QS into ST plus QR by 2 whole bracket square. And second, PQ square is equal to PS square minus QR into ST plus QR by 2 whole bracket square. Okay. So start. S is the midpoint of side QR. Okay. PS is the median of triangle PQR. Therefore, we can write QS is equal to SR, which is equal to QR by 2. Number it as 1. Why? Because S is the midpoint of side QR. Then consider triangle PTS. This triangle PTS. So in triangle PTS, given part is PT is perpendicular to QR. Therefore, angle T is equal to 90 degree. So in triangle PTS, angle PTS is equal to 90 degree. This is given part. Now, PTS is 90 degree, so we can use Pythagoras theorem here. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem we can write hypotenuse square, that is PS square, is equal to PT square plus TS square. This is by Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Now, we will rearrange the equation. Let's PT keep that side and TS bring to this side. So TS will become minus. So PT square is equal to PS square minus TS square. Number it as 2. Now we prove our first proof. Okay. For that, consider triangle PTS. Okay. So in triangle PTS, again angle T is equal to 90 degree. This is given part. So again we can use here Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, PR square is equal to PT square plus TR square. Okay. Now PR square as it is. PT, value of PT, we can substitute that PS square minus TS square from second. So let's substitute that. PT square is equal to PS square minus TS square. Okay. And next TR. TR can be written as TS plus SR. So let's write down that plus TS plus SR and whole bracket square. Now remove the bracket, use identity. PR square is equal to PS square minus TS square plus TS square plus 2 into TS into SR plus SR square. Okay. PR square, see, plus ts square and minus ts square, both cancel. Remaining part ps square plus 2 into ts into sr plus sr square. Now see, 1 sr is equal to qr by 2. So we can substitute that here. We will write from 2. Okay. Now pr square is equal to ps square plus 2 into ts into sr we can substitute as qr by 2 plus qr by 2 whole bracket square. This is from 1. So this is equal to ps square plus 2 cancel, qr into ts can be written as sts plus qr by 2 whole bracket square. So this is our first part which we have proved. Now second part. For second part, consider another triangle, that is triangle PTQ. So in triangle PTQ, angle PTQ is equal to 90 degree. Given part, then use again Pythagoras theorem. PQ square is equal to PT square plus QT square. Same way as we have substituted value of PT, we will substitute it here also. Value of PT is PS square minus TS square. So substitute it PS square minus TS square, and here QT we can substitute as QS minus TS. Okay. So let's substitute QS minus TS square. This is from that 2. Okay. Now expand PS minus TS plus QS square minus 2 into QS into TS plus TS square. Again plus TS minus TS cancel. So PQ square is equal to PS square plus minus 2 into QS into TS plus QS square. Again QS we can substitute as QR by 2. So let's substitute PQ square PS square minus 2 into QS is QR by 2 into TS plus QR by 2 square. Okay. Therefore PQ square, 2 get cancelled, PQ square is equal to PS square minus QR into TS can be written as ST also, ST plus QR upon 2 whole bracket square. Hence it is proved.